The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southwestern Broome County, Southeastern Tioga County, Northwestern Susquehanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 4:15 p.m. At 3:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Union Center, or over Endicott, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Binghamton, Vestal, Johnson City, Endicott, Little Meadows, Vestal Center, Endwell, Tioga Terrace, Brackney, and West Corners. The National Weather Service